Have you ever noticed this? Some people walk into a room, and suddenly everyone pays attention. No shouting, no showing off, no trying too hard. They just exist, and people respect them. I wasn't like that. For most of my life, I felt invisible. People talked over me, ignored my ideas, forgot I was even there. At work, at school, everywhere. It hurt more than I admitted. But one day, I got tired of feeling small. So I started changing tiny things, not big things, not fake confidence, just small habits. And slowly, everything changed. People started listening. They asked what I thought. They treated me differently. Today, I'll share the 5 habits that did it, from weakest to strongest. And you can start today. First, understand this. Respect isn't about being loud. It's about being grounded. Let's begin. 1. Stand like you belong. Most people shrink without noticing. Head down, shoulders forward, trying not to take space. Stop that. Stand tall. Relax your shoulders. Lift your head. Not stiff, not fake, just present. Your body speaks before you do. 2. Slow down everything. Rushing makes you look unsure. Calm makes you look confident. Walk slower. Speak slower. Pause before replying. When you move with ease, people feel it, and they trust it. 3. Look. People in the eyes, not staring, not avoiding. Just steady, gentle eye contact. 3 seconds. Look away. Back again. It says, I'm here, I'm listening, I'm not scared. That alone changes how people treat you. 4. Listen like it matters. Most people wait to talk. Strong people listen first, nod, ask questions, care. When someone feels heard by you, they remember it forever. 5. Master quiet moments. This is the secret. When things get loud, stay calm. When everyone argues, stay still. Wait, then speak once, clearly, simply, and everyone listens. The real truth. These habits work because they come from self-respect. You're telling the world, I value myself, and people follow that signal. Remember this one. Stand tall. 2. Move slowly. 3. Use eye contact. 4. Listen deeply. 5. Speak less, mean more. Try just one this week, and watch how your world changes.